Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Alyssa's painting her nails because we're going out tonight. We're so excited. Me and Matt got back from Croatia today, so I don't know how we're rallying, but we are. I went to my favorite place again to get pizza, and they literally, when I walked in, go, "Oh my God, like where have you been?" Because I was gone this weekend. That's so sad. I go there every day. I got my favorite pizza. This is gonna be me. I'm gonna get ready to go out, so I'll see you guys when we're ready. All right, to go out. We're so excited. I'm wearing my blue linen pants. Everyone's looking so sexy and so cute. Yay, so cute! Good morning, everyone. Yesterday was a pretty slow day, so I didn't vlog anything because we basically just ate, slept, and went to class. But today, I am going to the island of Ischia. I think that's how you say it. I'm walking to the ferry right now to meet some girls, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. I've never been, so I'm really excited. Guys, we made it to Ischia. I can't say it right, but we rented out these little sun loungers. They were only $10 a person, and it's the cutest little beach. And there's a bunch of little beach bars, so we're gonna go get lunch in a little bit, and then there's like some drinks we can get. But it's a beautiful day on this island. I'm so excited. I will show you guys what we get when we get food. I totally forgot to show you guys what we got to eat, but I got like a really good chicken sandwich with french fries, and it was so good and so needed. But we've just been chilling here, like reading and listening to the waves and stuff. It's been so peaceful. It's a nap. But yeah, we just in and dip, and then I am probably gonna dry off, and then we're gonna walk around the town. But I got my hair braided. It hurts so badly, and the girl only so that was an experience. But I feel peachy. So yeah, we're gonna just relax for like another hour, and then we're gonna go walk around the town. The flowers here are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this fountain. This city is just adorable. Oh my gosh. It's like the quietest little town, and it's just so peaceful and cute. Oh my god. Fresh fruit, so we had to come in because we're craving it. But look how cute this little coffee place is. There's little coffee mugs from the ceiling. Oh, they have so many good dessert food. I'm so excited. Decided on this little gelato. I got fragola and lemon just to be a little refreshing. Only €2, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try my hardest to do a taste test. It's really close. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so good. It's melting fast though. It's like 80 degrees here, which is probably the hottest it's been in Italy so far. So this is much needed. So good. We're on our ferry back, and just look how cute this little city is. I wish you could see it. Oh, it's so colorful. It's called Procida, if you couldn't hear him. It is so cute and colorful. But basically the ferry just stops here on its way back to Sorrento. But when we get back to Sorrento, we're gonna go to a cute little dinner on the water, and I'm excited. But I just had to show you guys this. Dinner looks so good. We got crab ravioli, and it's just so cute and so pretty. I'm so excited.
I never go short with it.
Oh my god, it looks so good. We have some music. So perfect.
Oh yeah.
Doing a taste test. Oh my god. Sorry guys, Sam. I didn't even get a piece. It's so cheesy. Oh my god. It's so good. Had one. Today is a field trip to the Mozzarella farm. We just drove 3 hours. Literally 3 in the middle of nowhere in Naples, and we're at the farm. We have no idea what to expect. Really cute though. So I guess we'll just journey together. So actually the the farm right now.
You're walking.
I'm in my berth. We're gonna go up to a random buffalo, and I'm scared. Oh yeah, we're gonna make some buffalo or mozzarella buffalo. Yum.
Side because here was like completely flooded by the rain, and then on the other side because after when summer was coming everything here was dry by the sun.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, there's so many of them. These are buffaloes. The cute little buffalo. Oh my god. It's a cute little buffalo. It's so cute. Oh my god. They're like big darlas.
Nel fango perché nei vari punti del terreno hanno vari laghetti, ok? 2 li usano per dire, non c'entrano mai. Invece uno lo lasciano liquido e lo utilizzano solamente.
Lakes all around the property. 2 of them are kept perfectly polished because they are drinking the water, while the others are used as she's showing us to, for one simple reason, they actually need to stay in the water because the mud is protecting their skin. That's why you see.
Babies. Come here. They're so cute.
Really excited.
Big spread for one. Don't even know what happens.
Like all the mozzarella juices is everywhere, and I
So we're at the milking room. I'm not breathing through my nose because I'm scared. Oh god, I'm scared. I think they're bringing a buffalo in here. We got back from the farm a couple hours ago, and I've just been walking around because I didn't really want to go home. And I did a lot of shopping. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. But they're gifts, so I can't show you everything. But I stopped at this little restaurant. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just getting a slice of pizza and a drink. It's a little deal here, so I'm excited. I've never had a slice of pizza here, so I'm excited. But I'm meeting my roommates in an hour or so for a crepe making class, and I will see you guys there. I'm so excited to eat this. Dinner for today, I'm so excited. Just a little cheap dinner, and then off to crepe making. I just came to the school, and I don't know if I've ever shown this, but this is what the entrance of the school looks like. Those are the kids' dorms, and then over here is a little garden, and there's lemons for us to pick if we want. There's some tables, a hammock, and then there's some down there, but I just thought I'd show it because I don't think I ever have. But now I'm gonna go and meet my roommates, and we're going to make crepes.
We need like a help, you know, you can start mixing it.
I made my own crepe. It's so cute. I'm so cute. Everyone's in line there. Yay! Good morning, everyone. Today's the day we're going to the cooking class. I'm wearing a little sundress, and they're all wearing more. But we're gonna go to get and we're all so excited. This view is insane. We're walking to the cooking class now. We're in a little town outside of Sorrento. And it's so adorable.
After you wash your hands, and coming with the hat. Where is the next? Leave your bag.
Oh my god, we are ready to get Shevin in the kitchen. This is so fun. Oh my god.
If you just walk in the middle of the street, if the cream sticks in the spoon for not less than 5 seconds, the cream is ready. If the cream will fall down before...
Successfully made our tiramisu. And now we gotta let it sit in the fridge. Let's see Tori's. Oh, looking good. So cute. Tiramisu. Looking good.
beautiful.
Looking good.
Tay.
Yum.
She's going.
I know. I'm scared.
Go back, Daddy. Go back, open, ready, let's go. Relax,
Oh,
one, let's go. Open, direct. To the sides of the super fair.
you got it!
Make it rain!
Yeah, baby!
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah,
Cheese right here.
oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah! Oh my god! So many gnocchis. Almost time to eat.
Nice, some more minutes, then we flow and then we be.
Appetizer and here, you want me to grab yours?
Your mic is
I'm not gonna finish this.
Yo. Oh, I'll really. So cute. Everybody.
I'm still working.
I'm dripping in sweat. Okay, we're gonna do the first bite. Taste test of the tiramisu.
Cheers.
Oh my god. It's so good. That cooking class was probably one of the best experiences that we've had on this trip, and it was just so much fun. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you come back for the next one.
This is a very long time. Why just this? Because if you give the test more time in infusion, you don't feel it's a perception in your mouth. The Mozzarella will be